That used luxury SUV you've always wanted seems like the deal of a lifetime, but that dream becomes a nightmare when the first repair bill arrives. Today, we're counting down 10 high-end SUVs where repair costs can cost more than the car itself. Number 10. 2018 to present Audi Q8, the precision problem. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Audi Q8. Let's be honest, this thing is a masterpiece of design. It's sleek, aggressive, and has a presence on the road that few SUVs can match. When new, a 2021 model started at an MSRP of $68,200, representing the pinnacle of modern German engineering. But here's the catch that seasoned mechanics know all too well, that celebrated precision engineering often comes with precision-priced problems. The brand's 10-year maintenance estimate is a hefty $13,351 more than the industry average for luxury SUVs, with a 37.44% chance the car will require a major repair during that period. The very systems that make it a joy to drive are its Achilles heel, out of warranty. We're talking about the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, the labyrinth of advanced electronics, and that potent 335 horsepower turbocharged V6 paired with a mild hybrid system. These aren't components your local mechanic can easily fix. They require specialized care and eye-wateringly expensive parts. Think a simple oil change is no big deal? On a Q8, that can run you $228 to $300 depending on where you go. And new brakes can cost up to $2,000. With some owners needing brake work as early as 30,000 miles. And those are just the wear items. Once the factory warranty, a 4-year/50,000-mile package, is a distant memory, a critical failure of the MMI infotainment system or the turbocharger will land a multi-thousand-dollar bill in your lap, making you stare at your beautiful SUV and wonder if you just made a terrible, expensive mistake. Number 9. 2017 to 2024, Maserati Levante, the Italian illusion. At number 9, we have the Maserati Levante. Just the name Maserati conjures images of Italian passion, racing heritage, and an engine note that stirs the soul. A 2021 model started at $74,490, so finding a used one for a significant discount feels like you've cracked the code to owning an exotic. But this beautiful Italian illusion can shatter into 1,000 expensive pieces with the first repair quote. Car Edge estimates that just owning a Levante for 10 years will cost you approximately $11,000 in standard maintenance. But the real financial landmines are hidden in its most sophisticated systems. That silky smooth ride is thanks to a complex adaptive air suspension, which Maserati brands as Skyhook, which is notoriously prone to leaks and compressor failures, with a single fix that can easily run $2,000 or more for component replacement alone. Beyond that, owners consistently report frustrating electrical gremlins and infotainment screens that freeze up, turning your luxury cabin into a source of constant annoyance. With major services already costing upward of $1,000 to $1,500, the routine costs are steep before disaster even strikes. That gorgeous Italian SUV sitting in your driveway can quickly become a financial liability when one system failure costs a massive fraction of its heavily depreciated value. Number 8. 2021 to present Cadillac Escalade, the American icon. Coming in hot at number 8 is an undisputed icon of American luxury, the Cadillac Escalade. For decades, this has been the symbol of success. You see a used one for a fraction of its original $76,195 starting price, and you think you've hit the jackpot. The size, the chrome, the presence, it's intoxicating. But don't let that initial price tag lull you into a false sense of security. Car Edge estimates that owning an Escalade for 10 years will set you back around $14,442 in maintenance alone. And that's if nothing major goes wrong. The real trouble, the catastrophic, wallet-draining trouble, often lives under that massive hood. The 6.2-liter V8, the heart of this beast, has a well-documented and horrifying history of severe lifter and camshaft failures, rooted in GM's active fuel management, AFM, and dynamic fuel management, DFM, cylinder deactivation system. These specially designed AFM lifters are prone to collapsing and failing, frequently taking the camshaft down with them and scattering metal debris throughout the engine. A full engine replacement on one of these, that's a bill that can easily rocket into the 5-figure range, often costing more than the vehicle is even worth. And it doesn't stop there. The complex electronics that run everything from the seats to the dashboard can also be sources of massive, unexpected repair bills. The sophisticated magnetic ride control suspension standard, only on the higher sport Platinum and premium luxury. Platinum trims adds yet another layer of costly repair risk for buyers who don't verify what they're purchasing. Couple all that with a notoriously steep depreciation curve, and you have the perfect recipe for a financial disaster. That bargain Escalade quickly transforms into a money pit. Number 7. 2017 to present Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio, the passionate Pitfall. At number 7, we find an SUV powered by a Ferrari-derived engine, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. This is a true passion purchase, but that passion can burn a dangerously deep hole in your wallet. A new 2021 model started at just over $81,250, and with its notorious rapid depreciation, used examples can look temptingly affordable. Reliability surveys paint a grim picture, with the Stelvio finishing 31st out of 33 family SUVs in the 2024 What Car Reliability Survey, with around a third of all owners reporting a fault. Edmunds estimates that combined 5-year repair and maintenance costs for the Quadrifoglio can exceed $15,000. The car is known for persistent electrical gremlins, troublesome cooling systems, and high oil consumption. Specific jobs carry shocking price tags. A major service including the accessory belt change a notoriously labor-intensive job on the Quadrifoglio's twin-turbo V6, which uses a timing chain rather than a belt, can be quoted at around $2,000 to $2,300. Need to replace the high-performance brakes? A full 4-wheel job with pads and rotors can run anywhere from $3,500 to over $4,500. It's a high-performance, high-stakes gamble once the warranty has expired, proving that a Ferrari-derived heart requires a very cool-headed and deep-pocketed owner. Number 6. 2019 to 2025 Jaguar F-Pace SVR, the V8 trap. Coming in at number 6 is the Jaguar F-Pace SVR. With its stunning looks and a thundering supercharged V8, it's a sensory overload in the best way. A 2021 model started at an MSRP of $84,600. On the used market, it appears to be a performance bargain, but it's a well-laid trap. The 10-year maintenance cost is estimated at a staggering $17,318. During that time, there's a nearly 50% chance the vehicle will require a major repair. Common complaints include frustrating electrical gremlins, infotainment glitches that can drive a sane person mad, and even issues with the supercharger. When things do break, the costs are immense. A simple window motor assembly replacement can cost over $1,300. While the V8 engine itself is fairly robust, it's the components surrounding it that tend to fail. It carries the same DNA of unreliability as its corporate cousins, meaning that thrilling V8 soundtrack might be drowned out by the sound of you draining your bank account. We're halfway through our list, and the numbers are already terrifying. Do you own one of these SUVs? Or did you dodge a bullet? Drop your horror story or your tale of escape in the comments. You might just save someone from making a huge financial mistake. And if you're finding this research valuable, do us a favor and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next. Number 5. 2020 to present Mercedes-Benz GLS, the S-Class of suffering. Kicking off the top 5 is the so-called S-Class of SUVs, the Mercedes-Benz GLS, as the brand's flagship, with the 2021 GLS 450 starting at $76,000. It offers an incredible level of opulence. However, maintaining that opulent experience comes at a breathtaking long-term cost. The Mercedes brand averages an annual maintenance and repair cost of $908 per year, according to RepairPal, adding up to roughly $9,080 over a decade, and the complex GLS is a major contributor to that figure. Some owners have reported out-of-pocket costs approaching $18,000 over just 5 years. The most common and expensive issues for this 362-horsepower beast are the suspension and transmission. The airmatic suspension, while providing a magical cloud-like ride, is a known weak point that can lead to multi-thousand-dollar repairs. In fact, data from RepairPal shows an average shock or strut replacement on a GLS 450 can be between $4,857 and $4,965. When a single, common vehicle repair costs as much as a reliable used sedan, you know you're in dangerous territory. Number 4. 2018 to present Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid, the double-edged sword. At number 4, we have a vehicle that promises the best of both worlds, the Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid. With a 2021 model starting at $81,800, it offers legendary Porsche performance with the modern appeal of a plug-in hybrid. Unfortunately, that technological complexity is a razor-sharp, double-edged sword. While Porsches hold their value well, their maintenance costs are sky-high. According to RepairPal, the average annual repair and maintenance cost for a Porsche Cayenne is $1,231, well above the $807 average for luxury mid-size SUVs and the $652 average across all vehicle models. When factoring in repair bills from dealer-reported data on top of routine upkeep, the true cost of owning a Cayenne can climb to nearly $12,000 in just the first 5 years. But the real financial danger is the hybrid system itself. Porsche covers the high-voltage battery under a separate warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. Once that warranty expires, however, you are playing a very expensive game of chance. A failure in the high-voltage battery, electric motor, or the intricate control systems can lead to staggering repair bills. A full battery replacement out of warranty typically ranges from $5,000 to $15,000, depending on model year and battery type, with dealership pricing running considerably higher, and real-world owners in the UK have reported out-of-warranty battery replacement quotes in the region of £10,000 from Porsche dealers. All the money you thought you were saving on gas is gone in an instant, and then some. Number 3. 2020 to present BMW X5 xDrive 45e, the financial time bomb. Cracking our top 3 is the BMW X5, specifically the plug-in hybrid xDrive 45e, which had a base MSRP of $65,400 in 2021. On the surface, this seems to offer the perfect package: iconic BMW driving dynamics and plug-in efficiency for your daily commute. But this technological marvel hides a ticking financial time bomb: the battery pack. While any X5 is already expensive to maintain, the hybrid version adds a terrifying layer of risk. The high-voltage battery is covered by a federally mandated 8-year/80,000-mile warranty. But what happens on day 1 after that warranty expires? A full replacement of the 24 kilowatt-hour battery pack can be an eye-watering expense. Some owners in online forums have reported getting quotes as high as $20,000 for the job. One European owner was even quoted over $70,000 for a battery replacement that was, thankfully, covered by their warranty. For a used buyer, this effectively gives the vehicle a financial expiration date, after which a single failure can render the car practically worthless. Number 2. 2012 to 2021 Land Rover Range Rover, the benchmark for bills. Our runner-up is a vehicle that needs no introduction: the one and only Land Rover Range Rover. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling statement, a status symbol on wheels, with 2021 models starting at an MSRP of $92,000. Unfortunately, it has also become the gold standard for staggering, predictable repair costs. The 10-year maintenance cost is a soul-crushing $19,749 on average. There's a greater than 50% chance of a major repair being needed in that time. The common failure points on models with engines like the 510 horsepower supercharged V8 are legendary in the mechanic community. The air suspension system, which can cost over $6,000 for a full replacement, is practically considered a wear item. A routine full brake job can set you back $3,500 or more at a dealership. This is all happening while the vehicle is depreciating at a catastrophic rate. It's a common story. You buy a 5-year-old Range Rover for $50,000, and a year later, you're handed a repair estimate for $15,000. Your dream car has just become a financial anchor dragging you to the bottom. Number 1. 2016 to 2020 Bentley Bentayga, the liability king. And at number 1, the undisputed king of costing more to fix than it's worth, the Bentley Bentayga. The original MSRP of the 2017 Bentley Bentayga ranged from $229,100 to $297,400, depending on trim and configuration. On the used market, the most popular trim in great condition, with around 72,000 miles, carries a retail value of approximately $95,000, with prices varying by trim, region, and condition. This is, without a doubt, one of the most dangerous illusions of a bargain in the entire automotive world. The cost of maintaining a Bentayga is beyond the comprehension of a normal car owner. The Bentayga is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6-liter 12-cylinder engine producing 600 horsepower, and the repair costs that come with it are staggering. Major mechanical failures on a vehicle of this complexity can reach well into the tens of thousands of dollars. Replacing brake pads alone can cost $1,000 to $2,500. while rotor replacement adds another $3,000 to $5,000, meaning a comprehensive four-corner brake service at a Bentley dealership can easily approach or exceed $7,000 in total. Annual maintenance costs for a Bentley Bentayga typically range from $1,500 to $5,000, depending on age, mileage, and repair history. And that's before anything actually breaks. A single out-of-warranty catastrophic failure on a used Bentayga can cost more than a brand new entry-level luxury sedan. It's a level of financial risk that is simply off the charts. A used Bentayga isn't a car. It's a financial liability waiting to detonate your net worth. So the lesson is clear. Extreme complexity and prestige come at a staggering long-term price. Our advice? Lease them new. Keep them under warranty or avoid them entirely. In our next video, we'll cover some luxury SUVs you can actually trust. Thanks for watching.